Welcome to SNS Farmart. We have been working for the past 20 years with a focus on empowering soil bioregeneration and promoting healthy toxin-free agricultural production. Let's see exactly how to use the Soil Improvement Pack. The first treatment should be done after sowing, planting, replanting, after stress relief, after ratoon and on spring. Take 100 liters of water in a 200-liter plastic drum and mix 1 kilogram of Gromax with 500 milliliter of Fertfull and 500 milliliter of Bhumiji and mix it well. After 24 hours, stir well and use through strainer or drip. Those who can should do the same treatment in a value-added manner. Take 100 liters of water in a 200-liter plastic drum and mix it with 1 kilogram of Gromax and mix it well. Mix 1 kilogram of native cow dung, 1 liter of native cow urine, 1 liter of native cow milk, 1 kilogram of native cow curd and 1 kilogram of jaggery in this solution and stir the solution well once again. The cloth bag provided in the pack should be used for dung. Due to this, dung does not mix with the solution and the solution is easy to use. This solution should be kept for 7 days for processing. Stir 2 to 3 times daily. On the 8th day, filter the solution and mix 500 ml of Fertfull and 500 ml of Bhumiji in it and mix it well and use it through a strainer or drip. As far as possible, all the mentioned components of the native cow should be used. If it is not at all possible, use whatever ingredients are available. The major benefits of this treatment are as follows. Increases local beneficial biology in the soil. Over 60 beneficial bacteria and fungi are available from indigenous cow sources. Mainly nitrogen-fixing bacteria, Pseudomonas, Bacillus, Trichoderma, Lactobacillus, Aspergillus and many useful bacteria and fungi are made available in the soil through solution. Helps in maximum photosynthesis. Increases organic carbon in the soil. The soil becomes fertile and soil texture is improved. Increases macro and micronutrient availability. Crops are well nourished. The second treatment is to be done 25 days after the first treatment. Take 100 liters of water in a 200-liter plastic drum and mix it with 1 kilogram of Grorich and 500 milliliter of Bhumiji and mix it well. After 24 hours, stir well and use through strainer or drip. Those who for some reason cannot do 2 applications should use all the products in the pack in the first application only. The major benefits of this treatment are as follows. Feeding and nourishment of the cultured useful biology. Helps in maximum photosynthesis. Increases macro and micronutrient availability. The crop is supplied with major and micronutrients. Improves crop quality and grade. There is a huge increase in production. The combined benefits of Soil Improvement Pack are as follows. The use of Soil Improvement Pack makes the soil bio-rich and provides main and micronutrients to the crops as and when required. Conservation of many beneficial local species of bacteria and fungi. Increases the local useful biology in the soil. Helps to achieve optimum photosynthesis. Physical properties of soil are improved. The soil becomes fertile and texture gets improved. Increases organic carbon in the soil. Crops are well nourished. Crops becomes strong, healthy and vigorous. Soil-borne diseases and insect infestations are reduced. Increases soil nutrient availability. Improves crop quality and grade. There is a substantial reduction in production costs and a huge increase in production. The use of synthetic and harmful chemicals can be reduced or eliminated. Let's resolve today for organic farming that complements the environment. Let's cherish our soil by bioenrichment to produce exportable non-toxic crops.